Today I'm doing an unboxing on a new tripod. Hi guys, hope you're all well today. Today I'm doing an unboxing on a new tripod. The old one isn't up to standard, but I'll cover that in another video. So this is what I ordered from Amazon. Unfortunately they sent me two and charged me for two, so one of those will be going back. So this should be a lot easier to use for me, a lot more sturdier and able to get more shots. The previous tripod I had wouldn't go high enough for some of the shots that I needed, and this one does go a lot higher. So inside the box there's a bag for carrying the tripod. Obviously this will be set up on a regular basis in my house, but at least I've got the option to take it out and about. Love the colour of this thing. Everything's in bubble wrap so it's all protected. Not the best bag in the world, but it'll do just to transport it around and just keep it clean. So the accessories you get, these are the 3 feet that go at the bottom of the tripod. These are adjustable. Phone holder, which you can use in portrait and landscape just by twisting it, and then there's a button, the knob at the back to tighten it up. The head for the tripod with the easy quick release plate, and the handle to turn the head. So let's get this open, see how easy it is. Nice handle to keep hold of it, or you can use the rubber handles on the actual legs. Very easy to open, and that handle folds flat. Hook at the bottom to make it a bit more sturdy for you, or just to keep your belongings when you go out. If you're taking a rucksack you can just hang it on the bottom. Spirit level, a nice round one which is multi-directional. I like that idea a lot. So this is how high it is on the shortest length, and then these legs are very easy to move. You just basically pull it open and push up and down on the height adjustment. So this is the full height of the tripod. It's much higher than the one I had, and I'll be able to do some better filming with it. Seems really solid. This was my old one just for comparison. I was very limited with what I could use this for. It will still come in useful for some shots, but this new tripod will be my new one. I've put the phone holder on the top of this. This is now fully set up. The base isn't too wide, depending on how high you're having this. And then this little handle is the one I mentioned, so you untighten the knob at the side, and then it's like a ratchet clicky. It's not loud, it just goes up and down with the handle. Alternatively you can just open the knob up at the side and it'll just pull up and down the looser you make it. Hopefully this will be the end of shaky videos on my channel. I'm sure there'll be some still, but this is going to be a lot easier. So this is how you adjust the height. You just basically turn, and then the knob at the side is just to tighten it. So once tightened it won't move up or down. Then on the head, this is a quick release plate. Easily done with one hand for someone like myself is a good thing. Bit more difficult to get it back on with one hand, but I managed it eventually. loosen the knob and you're able to turn it around. It's very smooth action, there's no noise or jolting. Once again, thanks for joining me guys, see you soon.